Let's talk about Google and why the stock is crashing today. From this headline, you would think that price would have gapped higher. Earnings called. Alphabet reports strong growth in Q3, highlights AI advancement and retail success. So, Alphabet reported strong growth in the third quarter, with consolidated revenue reaching 76.7 billion, an increase of 11% year over year. The company attributed its success to solid growth in search, YouTube, and cloud, as well as advancements in AI. So let's get into the specifics. Google Services revenues rose to 68 billion, up 11%, with Google advertising revenue growing 11%, led by strong growth in the retail vertical. YouTube ad revenue increased 12%, driven by growth in brand and direct response. Google Cloud revenues were 8.4 billion, up 22%, driven by growth in Google Cloud Platform and Google Workspace. Here's what the CEO had to say. He emphasized the company's efforts to enable developers and businesses to build transformative products and services with a particular focus on AI. You had the vice president say the following, and he discussed the company's performance in advertising with a strong showing in Google's advertising, especially in the retail vertical. He also mentioned the company's focus on leveraging Google AI in advertisement and to deliver better performance and profitability for advertisers. The company is committed to delivering sustainable financial value and remains excited about future opportunities. They are focused on durably re-engineering its cost base to support growth priorities, particularly in AI, and mentioned work streams to control expenses, optimize real estate, improve productivity, and streamline operations. Really what they're doing is they're putting their money where their bread and butter is, and that's in the AI space. Google aims to balance product rollout and monetization during this transition. They're finding ways to optimize AI, including shrinking model sizes and improving chip efficiencies. They expect to drive efficiencies in their technical infrastructure while maintaining investments in leading AI models. So this article mentioned AI a lot, right? Because that's where future growth, not only for Google's at, but with all the companies. All right, so now going back to the charts, you can see on the daily chart, you had this huge gap and go. This was roughly a $10 gap. You can see on the weekly chart, price is on the verge of and will close for the first time below this weekly short-term uptrend line, which was established back in March. However, potentially price found support at the 125 level, which was resistance at once upon a time. And if you expand that all the way through, you can see how price naturally gravitates to this level and then reacts. So why did we see the gap down in price, even though according to the article, they had a strong Q3? Well, it's all about the cloud and data centers, and they did not meet Wall Street expectations in that realm. And as a result, the stock fell. Now, I believe personally that this is a buying opportunity. I would wait until tomorrow to see price action, but this 125 level is serving as a huge resistance support band, and the chart suggests to go long despite today's blood in the streets. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.